Ayan, good afternoon guys. Ito na po ang project ng provincial government through the city government and through the barangay project. The construction of a memorial viewing facility at Belmont Hills, Barangay Pasong Kawayan 2, City of General Trias, Province of Cavite. Ang project cost po nito ay 6,482 6,482,314.41 pesos. Ang gumagawa po nito ay General Trias City Government. Tapos hindi. Ang contractor nito ay Legazpi Builders. Ang duration nito ay August 28. Kailangan matapos na to. So ito ang first room, medyo malaki-laki. Pero single story building lang ito Tapos second room, third room, third room. Tapos ito yung likod, yung gilid. Tapos ito yung parking gagawin din. So 6.4 million plus.